Durrington Walls is a very large henge monument, a mere 3 kilometres from the world-famous Stonehenge. This animation shows the landscape around Durrington Walls, with the outer ring of pits found recently, Stonehenge in the distance, and the loop of the River Avon that is on the doorstep of the earthworks. Just outside the monument is the site of Woodhenge, which is a multi-ring circle of post holes surrounded by its own ditch and bank. The post holes are believed to have had upright timbers standing in them. Durrington Walls during the Neolithic period was a huge feasting site. Butchered bones of a great many domestic animals have been found in the surrounding ditch, and there is evidence for some of the animals having travelled long distance, pigs for instance having arrived from Scotland. Excavations have taken place over the years with finds of pottery, post holes and possible positions of standing stones, but the local residents seem to have avoided discovery. This was until the area outside the henge was explored on the way down to the river. Geophys revealed a great many houses, and 10 of them have been carefully excavated. It is one of these houses, Durrington 851, that I did a construct of at Butser Ancient Farm. This is an artist's impression of 851 and shows the chalk floor, the fireplace and the position of the possible furniture that is hinted at in the excavation. The building is 4.8 metres wide and 5.2 metres long and has curved corners. The construction of 851 starts with the wall stakes. They are inserted into holes punched into the ground at a spacing of 300 millimetres, as per the excavation evidence. The wall height is set at 2 metres. The wall is then woven with rods of willow, as they are flexible enough to weave through the spacing of the wall stakes. The top of the wall is then braced and strengthened with a wall plate made of ash poles that have been split down their length and had holes chiselled through at the same spacing as the stakes. This is put on all 4 sides of the house, and then the corners of the plate are fastened together. The wall plate not only strengthens the wall, but creates a solid surface to start building the roof on. The roof frame is composed of vertical posts, a ridge pole, rafters and diagonal bracing. Horizontal rods called purlins are lashed to the rafters. These create the framework for the thatch to be fastened to. This house is thatched with straw, but could have been reeds, as the houses are on the edge of a river and may have had reed beds. The house can then be daubed, plastered inside and out with a mixture of mud and clay. To make the walls windproof and to match the archaeology, a windbreak is built to shield the door from the prevailing weather. During the first winter, it was observed that the tall gable ends of the house were prone to movement due to high winds. The decision was made to modify the house and to convert it to a hipped roof. This only took a few days, as all the material was instantly recycled within the roof.